goes exactly where I go. This is a local gig here, what we do. You know, we don't go out over the road, we stay local. He lives in his truck all week. He has a house. He has a house, he has 3 wives. And I'm not joking, he has 3 wives. He doesn't go home. But I didn't think he'd come all the way out here right now. I wonder where he goes. There's no way he sits outside of the landfill starting like right now. I don't think they would let him. But yeah, local gig here, and he lives in his truck. That's just crazy to me. I don't know, maybe he fucking just hates being home. I'm not gonna find out, obviously, but I'm really curious to know where he goes, like where he spends the night. This is the landfill exit. He's not getting off here. Man, I wish I could follow him. I'm so curious to know where he's going. Is that weird? He's a strange guy. You know, he's... I don't know. Curious. And he's taking Route 6? No, he's not taking Route 6. Okay. Yeah, this guy's all over the road all day long. He's everywhere. He's all over the road. Look at him. Now he's coming over at that guy. Unreal. I don't know how he gets away with this shit. He is literally all over the road all day, every day. Now he's slamming, he's fucking hitting his brakes for no reason. Look, he's coming over at the guy. Are you kidding me? Conrad, you good? Look, he's smoking his brakes. Dude, this guy's fucked up.